Hello viewers, here is a 1990 AT&T 210 Trimline telephone. This will be the final checkout of this telephone after the cleaning and repairs. Okay, let's connect it to the testing line. And we'll begin by ringing it up. Okay, that's a little more promising than last time. It seems like it's working okay. Goose. 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. Gonna move the cord around a little bit. Doesn't seem like it's cutting out at all. Okay, let's check the numeric buttons. Okay, we'll do a redial. Okay, the mute is working. I'll record a testing message into our testing answering machine. We'll take out the camera first. The switch is working.
Honk.
This is the final testing message to be recorded from this AT&T 210 Trimline phone before it gets put into service. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Over and out. End of messages.
Okay, that sounded pretty good on transmit. We'll make an outside call now. I'm going to call the Farmer Jones cold line.
Greetings from Jones Family Farms and Winery as we approach Memorial Day. We have a lot of news to guide you and your experience when visiting the farm.
Okay, this is low or normal volume.
Sunday, 11 till 5. We are open only for curbside bottles.
Okay, that is working and it sounds good. That will conclude the final checkout of this AT&T 210 Trimline phone.